Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate monday.com for event planning workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate monday.com for event planning workflows, begin by logging into your monday.com account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the website and sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace where you would like to create your event planning board. Click on that Add button to create a new board. Choose the empty board option to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer a guided setup. Name your board something relevant, such as event planning. Next, set up your columns based on the specific needs of your event. Common columns include task name, due date, status, owner, and priority. Add these columns one at a time by clicking the plus icon next to existing columns. For each column, select an appropriate column type from the drop-down menu. Once your columns are set up, start adding tasks related to your event. Click on the plus icon in the first column to create a new task. Provide a detailed name for each task, making it clear what needs to be done. After naming the task, assign it to a team member by using the owner column. Set a due date for each task to keep the project on track. Use the status column to indicate the progress of each task, updating it as needed. To enhance collaboration, utilize the Updates section within each task to post comments and share files. Invite your team members to the board by clicking on the Invite Members button. Keep communication flowing by using the monday.com chat feature for real-time discussions. Consider setting up automations to streamline repetitive tasks. Click on the Automations button to explore options that fit your workflow. For example, set an automation to notify team members when a task's due date approaches. As your event planning progresses, regularly review the board to stay organized. Use the dashboards feature to monitor key metrics and ensure everything is on schedule. Finally, customize the views of your board, such as using the Kanban view for a visual representation of tasks. This enables quick assessment of the progress and status of various tasks involved in planning your event. Once everything is in place, you're ready to kick off your event planning workflow with monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.